What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Starting this one off at Publix. I got a feeling we're gonna find the Civic right here. Well, that died quickly. Yep, that was short-lived. Alright, we are moving on to a Target. We've been here for the past few videos. Ran into F-Case here. Let's see if they got any more. Alright, let's see if they got anything new. We were just here yesterday, so I doubt it. And I only found one F-Case car, and I think it's still here. I feel like this is kind of pointless. But you have to check, because when you don't check is when you miss everything, right? Yeah, I don't think there's anything here. It hasn't changed. It hasn't changed. Alright, we are checking out a Family Dollar. Usually the store is full of cars, but it is actually looking a little bit low. I don't think I've ever found anything good in this one, to be honest, so I don't often stop, but I'm passing by, so I figured why not? Let's try. Yeah, it's just leftovers. It's just leftovers. We need the birthday grandma or mom to come in and clear these out. Oh, there's some over here too. Imagine there was a super tucked in the corner that nobody knew about. Look at this $5 RC car. I bet you that thing's so fast. So I'm checking out my statistics, right? And it says that 72% of my viewers aren't subscribed and 40% of you watch me on a TV. So hello, living room. That's pretty cool. I'm on your TV. And I know. You hear YouTubers say this all the time. And I hear YouTubers say this all the time, but it's true. I have just under 17,000 subscribers right now. So I thought, well, if 72% of my viewers aren't subscribed, what's my actual subscriber number? So I punched the information into ChatGPT and it spit out a number approximately. I went based off my views per video and my better performing videos. It says approximately 60,000 subscribers. I don't know if that's accurate. So I'd have to assume a good amount of you, especially potentially if I'm on your TV, mom and dad, you are not subscribed to my channel. I'm just showing up because I'm in your recent history. Do me a favor, make an account, subscribe. If you're on a tablet, make an account, subscribe. If you're on your phone, make an account, subscribe. You don't have to, but I'm on a mission. I want to know how many subscribers do I technically actually have. Again, I know you hear YouTubers say this all the time, but it's true. That stuff helps so much. If you want to see my channel grow, if you want to help me get a little bit farther in this journey, because it's a tough journey, guys. This is not easy. It is not easy, okay? Don't let anyone ever tell you that anything like this is easy. It's not. You need to put your heart and soul into this. I'm trying my best to do that. So if you like my videos, if you support me, guys, sign up. It's free. What's the magic number? Hopefully you can help me find out. We are moving on to a Walmart. Alright, looks like they also got some new boulevards here. Here's the M5. You know, I'm going to grab that. The Porsche is the only one not here, but last time we found these, we didn't find the M5 either. So we'll definitely take that. We're actually pretty loaded up on these M2s up here. This thing's pretty cool. Plymouth Roadrunner. I like the plain cars the best, so not really interested in those, but this one's also pretty cool. It's more clean than the rest. The Mercury Cougar in white. I love the wheels on that. Black wheels are always the best. And a couple other things back there. What's this one? Camaro. And this is like a Ford or something, right? Belly tanker. Yeah, I think this one's the coolest one, to be honest. Yeah, there's a couple more down here. Another Camaro. Tons of these Mopars in the model kits with the Charger gasser. But yeah, this M5, I think we're gonna grab that for sure. Let's check Hot Wheels. There's a couple more Hot Wheels at the end of the aisle. This is new, Rubicon. That's out of the newest set. I haven't seen that yet. There's some more Samurai cars. Looks like they pretty much filtered out what they had. And then on the pegs, this Q case. This looks like what? D case. Yeah. I didn't get a dump in here. I'm surprised to see this much D case on the peg, but no dump in. Got a Corvette here. That's pretty cool. Beetle. I haven't seen many of the Back to the Future monster trucks, so I wonder if we got lucky and found those before they disappear forever. We got a little display over here with some main lines on it. They look pretty stock. I'll take a quick peek through these. Alright, I've seen a lot of people pulling stuff out of Ross lately. Great nuts, I'm talking to you, man. So, we haven't really been checking them, but let's see if we can find something cool. Yeah, I don't really see anything. I don't know what I'm looking for, but I've seen multiple people on Facebook pulling out multi-packs from here. And like I said, Great Nuts, one of my subscribers, I follow him on Instagram, and he's constantly posting stuff. That's cool, but that's a toy. Well, they're all toys, aren't they? This is actually cool. Has any of you guys seen this anime? It's pretty good. I watched this a couple years ago. Waiting for the next season. Leave me a comment if you've seen it. Chainsaw Man. It's about a guy who has a chainsaw. Well, he didn't always, but I won't spoil it for you. We're gonna move on to this Publix. I'm walking far because I need some exercise. What do we got here? The first thing I'm seeing is this guy. Indications of old cases or left behinds, but it's not too full, so I think we have most of this already. This is a store where they always put them in order. Who does this? He must work here. It's always like this. Always like this. Always. Well, this is backwards, so let me fix your work here, dude. Might as well play if I can't win. Let's check the aisle, see if there's anything different over here. I doubt it, but you always gotta check. They still got a lot of these left here. Those will probably be here forever. Yeah, he's got it going on over here too. That's so funny, man. Moving on to a Target. Alright, let's see what they got here. There was just a gentleman in front of me flipping through extremely fast, so it looks like maybe there's nothing here. What I did notice as I was walking up, though, this. I don't have this, but the wife does, thanks to a subscriber. Ooh. This one's here too. Oh, you know what? I saw that these were coming. Oh my god, it's here. We have to buy this. Oh man, these are all cool. Every one of these is good. But this is a no-brainer. I absolutely have to have that. I think I can live without the other one. Truthfully, there's 3 of them here too. They must have just put these out. That's freaking cool. Well, yeah, we're gonna have to really strongly consider this because all 3 of these are awesome. I might need to get all of them. I don't see a dumping anywhere, but do we even care, honestly? This looks like mostly fantasies here. I will take a quick look before I walk out of here, but I mean, come on. Come on, dude, come on. My gosh, this is just like, wow. You know, we used to come to this Walmart nearly every day, but I don't work this way anymore, so I never come here. That's cool too. Yo, they are stocked up at this Target. Did I call it a Target? I mean, did I call it a Walmart? Man, I am all mixed up here. I am all mixed up. I used to come to this Target every day. Can you believe that? Oh my god, I can't. I can't. Whew. What to do, what to do. Yo, that's sick. And I got 5% off because I used my birthday coupon from last week. Let's go. Wow, what a find, what a find, what a find. And I got a toothbrush and some floss from the dentist. Talk about a great day. This is so sick. First thing at the Walmart, we found this cool 91 BMW M5 out of the latest Boulevards. Once again, we did not get the stupid Porsche. Hopefully I find it. I don't know. We'll probably run into it. I hope we run into it. I really want that one. I have most of the other 935s. It's like not the worst thing, but I'm a big Porsche guy, and well, why not collect them all? I love the way it's got This just looks so cool. I want to see it at least in person. I want to at least see it. Anyways, we got the M5. This thing's cool. This is way cooler than the last Boulevard BMW we caught, which was the ugly puke green color. This one is much nicer. We'll probably open this. Maybe not. I don't know. I really don't care. This is just like whatever because I'm sorry. I mean, look. How could you not? How could this is so sick. So, relax, Mike, relax. We got the Subaru Impreza STI and the Subaru Impreza WRX. Now, my subscriber, Jonesin4164, had sent Lisa this set a long time ago. Probably, man, like what, 4 or 5 months now? Mainly because the wifey drove this exact car. She just didn't have the spoiler. I don't know why this has the spoiler, because it's not an STI. The regular WRX does not have that spoiler, but it's okay. It's the bug-eye one, and it's the one she had. So he had sent that to her. She had it. I didn't. Well, guess what? I have it, and I'm going to open it. And I told her I found it, so she's pretty excited to see it out of the package as well. So that's a win. And we also got the Bugatti one here. We got the Veyron Premium with the enormous back wheel. It's actually huge. Is this the same? I don't know. I guess just because it's a premium and it's got deep dish rail riders. But that back tire is huge, and that front tire is tiny. I do not have a premium Bugatti Veyron or Chiron, so I am quite excited. I don't think we're going to open this one as much as I want to open it. We might leave it sealed. I don't know. I'm torn a little bit. It's just, they're so tempting. I'm even tempted to open this thing, guys, by the way. I thought about that last night when I passed by. Let's do it. Let's get it open, baby. Oof, I'm so sorry. 2-pack, it is time. Have I ever opened up a 2-pack? I'm not sure, actually. I don't know if I have. I think I opened one. I just can't remember which one. Oh yeah, by the way, I left behind the Nissans. Honestly, I'm not that, I don't know. They're not that nice. I don't know. You always kind of wish you had them when you get home. I'm not going to think about it too much, but when they were in my hand, I thought, you know, I'm not the biggest fan of the mint green, and I don't really have enough love for the Sentra to care. I actually have a Sentra in one of the diorama boxes with the JDM, so, oh yeah. So, this one's cool. I'm not really that excited about it. Really just bought it for this, and I think, I might consider putting some black wheels on it. Yeah, that's tight. That's tight. So now I have 2 Subis with the bug eyes, because this is the other one I got. So it's the same model. Bug eyes. This was just in a collector's edition. Hot Wheels livery in blue. I think this would look so much better with black wheels, honestly. We might just have to swap the wheels out. I gotta find a nice pair of wheels if I'm gonna do it. It's gotta be cool. It's gotta be cool. I mean, the gold goes on this just fine, but on the silver, nah. Leave something to be desired. That's it for the video, guys. I'm gonna go brush my teeth. I hope you enjoyed watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Later!